Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix MySubaru app error. Alright, if your MySubaru app showing an error, won't connect or saying command failed, I'm going to show you how to fix it step by step in simple terms. First, don't panic. Most Subaru errors are easy to fix. First, make sure your phone has a good internet connection or cellular data is turned on. If your internet is weak, the app will show error. Swipe up from the bottom, close the Subaru app, wait a few seconds, open it and log in. This fixes many temporary errors. You can also go to the App Store, search for MySubaru. If you see update, tap it. Older version of the app cause error message. Your Subaru must be turned off, all the doors are closed, having cellular signal. If the car is running or has no signal, command will fail. Open the MySubaru app, tap the account or menu, tap the subscription. If your Starlink or remote service subscription is expired, the app will show error. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.